Hey gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be conditioning my Parkhurst Richmond boots. This has the Charles F. Stead Rambler leather in the Dachshund Colorway. This is a rough out leather, so that means you're seeing the flesh side of the hide. This leather is shrunken some 30%, which makes it tighter and more durable. Something special about this leather is you can see the veining throughout, which makes it a very casual boot. Note that you're not buying this boot to have the same look as smooth finish leather. See here the Horween Chrome XL in my Oak Street Cap Toe trench boot. It's a smooth and even finish leather. Or here is some tan colored oiled Latigo leather by Wickett and Craig in these Wilshire boots from Frank's Boots. These are both such beautiful leathers and often used in dress versus casual footwear. You are getting the Rambler leather for its unique look that works well for those business casual days of the office, evenings, or weekends. Now that we know what kind of leather we're working with, let's talk conditioners. These boots are not in need of cleaning today, but we're going to start by removing the laces and then brushing them with this suede nubuck brush. It's a lot more coarse than a regular horsehair brush, and what that's going to do is loosen up the fibers, raise them a bit, and get them ready to receive the conditioning. If you were going to clean these boots, you can grab some saddle soap like this or some leather cleaner from Cobbler's Choice, but I highly recommend go ahead and get this suede nubuck cleaner. This is Angelus. It's made for more rough out leathers. Then you let it sit for 12 to 24 hours and then you can begin the conditioning process. For these boots today, I'm gonna go with Smith's. I had a really good back and forth with Andrew, the owner of Parkhurst. He said this is what he would recommend. There's another one that he likes out of Baker's Boots. They have the Oregon Trail wax, and I'll have links to these products in the description. Andrew mentioned that any boot wax or balm would work, though it'll darken the leather a shade. In his experience and mine, boot oil will darken the leather more. He recommended hitting it with the blow dryer to allow the leather balm to soak in well. This distributes the conditioner and helps to keep the color balanced and closer to the same shade as when we started. I've seen this Rambler leather lighten up a bit since I originally got them, so I'm actually looking forward to seeing them darken a shade or two. And since Andrew said that most any boot wax would work, I wanted to show you 3 options that I have. Maybe you already have these in your little shoebox. That way you don't necessarily have to run out and get something new. If you have this Charles F. Stead leather, you might have what you need already in your box. First is this Red Wing all natural leather conditioner. This has mink oil, pine pitch, and beeswax. Therefore, beware that it will initially darken the leather, especially due to the mink oil. At any rate, it's a really good option. Second is the Jim Green's all natural leather balm. This has marula fruit, macadamia nut oil, beeswax, and sugarcane wax. I'll be doing a full video on this product in the future. Third is the Cobbler's Choice, which is made up of triple filtered beeswax, a unique blend of seed oils, and naturally occurring lipids. It's worth noting that Smith's, Red Wing, Jim Green, and Cobbler's Choice are all free of petroleum, which is known to dry out the leather and or clog the pores of the leather, which prevents it from breathing. This is going to be my first experience with the Smith's, and I already like it because it really doesn't have a bad smell. It's made from organic coconut butter, organic beeswax, and 100% pure sweet almond oil. I won't go into much more detail on Smith's, as I'm planning on putting out a full video on the product in the future. They are, however, made up in Maine, so I know many of you guys will appreciate that, being a USA-based company. I've been blessed enough to go over there, sit in Bar Harbor, and have a lobster tail. Guys, I went through Acadia National Park, and I await the day that I can get back up there. But what do you say? Let's get some of this conditioner on these boots. We'll quickly pull the laces on these boots and go ahead and brush them down. This stuff here you can use with your fingers if you want to apply it. I go ahead and grab this towel. It kind of holds a little bit more of the conditioner in the fibers of the towel, and then I can start spreading it on a little bit easier. You can start to see already where I've applied some of the conditioner as opposed to where I haven't. It is darkening it, and I'm really liking that color change. Friends, if you'll do me a favor and not let my wife catch wind that I have her blow dryer out here in the shop, I would be much appreciated. But as you're going along, you can intermingle with some wax and then the blow dryer. It's pretty cold out here in the shop. I don't run the heater when I'm filming because it's really noisy and it ruins everything, so I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of heat and that'll help move it around. So after just a little bit more scrubbing and going back and forth with the hair dryer, it came out very good. So you can see there the difference, and it is a lot darker. But here in a day or two, it's gonna lighten up, and I think it's gonna be just the perfect color for me. Let me know if you guys think I missed any steps, anything that you do different. Talk to me in the comments below. I like to get back to each and every one of you. As a final step, if you're interested, you could hit it with some waterproofing spray. I'm gonna go ahead and hold off on that. Whenever I'm doing these hard waxes, Jim Green, Red Wing, Cobbler's Choice, or this Smith's, they have enough wax built up in there that they really just don't need any waterproofing spray. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I sure hope you're enjoying everything we're putting out over here at the Gentleman's Journey. Until the next one, God bless, and hey, don't forget to give your boots some love from time to time. If you like this one, we got a bunch of content just like this. Check out the channel. We have everything in playlists, anything from more men's boots to menswear. Check back often. We got a bunch of great stuff coming up on the channel. Till the next one, God bless, and we'll catch you then.